and welcome to my channel Arabic with me Rana. In this video we are going to speak about the commanding verbs. So commanding verbs, how we command in Arabic, spoken Arabic at least. So how are we going to command people in the spoken Arabic? Let's just have some ideas. So before, I want you to go to this playlist which is the verbs in spoken Arabic, because I told you before that we have a root for each verb and then we will make the present tense out of them. And now, since we have the root, let's use the roots for each one of these verbs we had before in this playlist, and let's make the commanding verbs. How to command? Of course, you will command someone who is in front of you. You cannot command someone who is absent. So we will use the second person only. So we have three conjugations on how to command a person. So you either would command a man, or you would command a woman, or you will tell someone means like to do something means command a group of people. So it's just the three of them, man, woman, or group of people. You cannot command he, she, and it. You cannot do that, of course. So let's see how to make them. We had so many examples of the verbs before, so I'm going to use these exact examples in this video. I'm not going to make any new verb. So let's begin. Let's have the first example, which is to go. We had it, the very first verb we had in this playlist, in the verbs playlist, and to go root is ruh. This is the root. Root is ruh. So let's see how to command it. Let's see. If I'm commanding a man, I will just keep the root. The root is the commanding verb for men. Commanding verbs for men are the roots of each verb you know in Arabic language. Present tense. So let's see how to command someone to go, a man to go. You would tell him روح. روح. روح من هون. Go from here. Go out. Go from here. Get off. روح من هون. روح من هون. You are commanding a man. And how to command a woman? How to command a woman in spoken Arabic? You will take this root, which is روح. I will take it and I will add E at the end. So it would be روحي. روحي. You female, I'm commanding a female, I am commanding a woman. روحي من هون. Go from here. روحي من هون. Go from here. روحي. روحي. روح is for males. روحي is for women, for females. Now, let's continue and command people, like lots of people, group of people, to go. You will take the root, which is the masculine one, روح, روح, and you will add an O at the end, روحوا, روحوا. So again, you will add this O. Again, I will repeat, روح, which is the root already. So we have the root. The root is masculine commanding a male. I am commanding a male. A male is in front of me and I want him to go. So I would just tell him, go, روح, روح. And for the woman, it's روحي. And for a group of people, it's روحوا. This is it. The second example is going to be to like or to love. So of course I cannot command you to like or to love, but just as an example, I would just make it as an example. حب. حب is the root, so حب. I will command a man. حب. حب الكنافة. Like the knafe. So I'm asking them to like the knafe. If I am speaking with a woman, I would tell her حبي. حبي الكنافة. حبي. حبي. And if I'm speaking to a group of people, I would just tell them حبوا. حبوا. This is the second one. The third one, to do or to make. To do or to make. To do or to make, it has the root. A root says it's عمل. عمل. So this عمل is the root. So the root is me commanding a man. عمل. عمل قهوة. Make coffee. So عمل قهوة من فضلك. Do or make coffee, please. أعمل قهوة. And also, if you are speaking to a female, you would add this E at the end, so it would turn out to be عمولي. عمولي. If you are speaking to a group of people, you would tell them عملوا. عملوا. عملوا قهوة. عملوا قهوة. عملوا قهوة. So this is it. This is to make or to do. Let's see the next one. The next one is to drink. To drink in Arabic, you have to say the root, which is شرب. شرب. So if I'm going to command a male, I would tell him شرب. شرب قهوة. Drink coffee. شرب مي. Drink water. And for a woman, it would be شربي. شربي. For a group of people, it would be شربوا. شربوا قهوة. What's wrong with you? Why you are not drinking coffee? شربوا قهوة. So this would be for to drink. To say something, it was قول or قول. قول or قول. As I told you before, you may use the q sound if you feel it's so strong for you and heavy. You can choose to use the قول. So for me, I would just say قول. So if I told you قول, then say it. قول. قول. Say. This is for a male. For a female, I would tell her قولي. قولي. Tell. قولي. And then قولوا. You all. قولوا. This is about to say. To wake up, it has the root of فيق. فيق or فيق. So you may command a guy and tell them فيق. فيق or فيق. Come on, wake up, فيق, فيق. This is how would you make it. For females, you would just say فيقي. فيقي, come on, فيقي. It's time, فيقي. Or for a group of people, you would just say فيقوا. فيقوا. And this is a general idea on how to make the commanding verbs in Arabic. Of course, we have some things like irregulars. They are not literal irregulars, but of course we will have them in our next lesson, our next video about the commanding verbs. This is in general, and this is how we make the commanding verbs for most of the cases, most of the verbs. You have the root for the males, you are commanding males. You have the root plus an E at the end to make it commanding for a female. And if you are commanding group of people, then you would tell them an O at the end. You will add an O at the end of the root. This was the video of the commanding verbs. I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and wait for the second part of this, because this is really important for you, because it's not just like commanding. If you wanted to say, do this for me, please, you have to use the commanding verbs. So this is about the form, not about like you are literally commanding someone. No, you can just command and say please to make it nice and polite. So I hope you like it. If you like it, please comment below and tell me what do you think about it. If you have any questions, please also comment below. Bye bye, next videos.